If you've ever wondered how to know who visited your X, formerly Twitter profile, the short answer is that you cannot see the specific usernames of the people who viewed it. X does not give users a public visitor list, and there is no built-in feature that shows exactly who checked your profile. That means if you see an app, website, or extension claiming it can reveal the names of your profile visitors, you should be very careful because that is not an official X feature. What you can do instead is see how many visits your profile receives over time by using X Analytics. This gives you useful performance data such as profile visits, impressions, and engagement trends so you can understand how your account is performing even though you cannot identify individual visitors. Keep in mind that access to X Analytics requires a premium subscription, so this feature is not available on every account for free. Here's how to check it. First, log into your X account on desktop or mobile. Then, look for the Analytics or Premium section in your account menu. If you have an eligible premium plan, you'll be able to open your Analytics dashboard and review your profile visits over different time periods. You can compare daily, weekly, or monthly activity to see when your profile is getting more attention. This is really helpful if you're trying to track growth, measure the impact of a post, or see whether a campaign is bringing people to your profile. Even though it does not show names, the numbers can still tell you a lot about your audience interest. If you are not seeing the analytics option, that usually means you do not have access to the premium feature yet. In that case, you'll need to upgrade to a premium subscription before you can view profile visit data. And again, remember that no official method exists to reveal the exact people visiting your X profile. So the bottom line is this. You cannot know the specific usernames of who visited your X profile, but you can monitor profile visit counts with X Analytics if you have premium access. If this video helped clear things up, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.